Have you completed a doctorate in any discipline of the humanities or social sciences in the past 7 years? Do you work on religion, religious diversity, or questions of secularism? And do you care passionately about the past, present, and future of the university? Then please consider applying for our 2019 summer school here at CRASSH in Cambridge, one of the most exciting centers for interdisciplinary work in the world. With generous funding from the Andrew Mellon Foundation, we are offering 12 full scholarships to early career researchers to work here in Cambridge on your material and primary sources, together with 3 world-class scholars. From Columbia University, Akil Bilgrami; from Bristol University, Tariq Modood; and from Princeton, Melissa Lane. For a sense of what the summer school will be like and for a record of our fabulous 2018 summer school, please see the digital archive on the CRASSH website.